Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pharma Guide. So today we will study about the clinical applications of the prostaglandins and their analogues. We have covered the basics, that what is the role and what is the pathophysiological role and actions of the prostaglandins in the body, and now it's the time to explore how these remarkable analogues or the compounds are making a real impact in the various medical fields. So first is gynecology and obstetrics. Prostaglandin analogues such as misoprostol and dinoprostone, they are used to induce the labor in the pregnant woman. They promote the cervical ripening and uterine contractions, facilitating the onset of the labor. Next, prostaglandins may be used to prevent, prostaglandins like carboprost can be used to prevent or manage the postpartum hemorrhage by promoting the uterine contractions, facilitating the expulsion of the placenta and reducing the risk of excessive bleeding. Carboprost is a synthetic analog of prostaglandin F2 alpha. Next is prostaglandins are used in the erectile dysfunction. So L-prostadil, it's a synthetic analog of prostaglandin E1. It is used in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. It works by dilating the blood vessels in the penis, increasing the blood flow and promoting the erection. Next is in the gastric protection. So misoprostol, it's a synthetic analog of prostaglandin E1, is used to prevent the gastric ulcers induced by the NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. It helps to maintain the protective mucous lining of the stomach and reduces the acid secretion. Next is the pulmonary hypertension. So epoprostenol, it is a prostacyclin analog, is employed in the treatment of pulmonary hypertension. It acts as a vasodilator in the pulmonary arteries, improving the blood flow and reducing the workload on the heart. It also inhibits the platelet aggregation. Epoprostenol. Next is the patent ductus arteriosus closure. So L-prostadil, it is prostaglandin E1 analog. It is used to maintain the patency of the ductus arteriosus in the neonates with the congenital heart defects. So patent ductus, ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus is a blood vessel in the baby's heart that usually closes after the birth. If it stays open, it is called the patent ductus arteriosus. Its closing is important for the proper blood circulation. So L-prostadil, which is a prostaglandin E1 analog, can help to close the patent ductus arteriosus in some situations. It's given to certain babies to encourage the ductus arteriosus to close, allowing the heart to function properly. Next is the glaucoma. Prostaglandin analogs like latanoprost are used in the treatment of glaucoma. They lower the intraocular pressure by improving the drainage of fluid from the eyes, reducing the risk of the optic nerve damage. They enhances the uveosacral outflow, reducing the intraocular pressure. Latanoprost. Next is the renal disorders. L-prostadil, a prostaglandin E1 analog, has application in certain renal disorders. It can be used to improve the blood flow in the kidney, particularly in the conditions where there is reduced blood supply. So, it is used in the treatment of the renal disorders, including maintaining of the renal perfusion in certain clinical conditions. Next is the rheumatoid arthritis and medical termination of pregnancy. So, in rheumatoid arthritis, NSAIDs are used. Misoprostol is given in combination. Diclofenac and misoprostol combination is used to relieve the symptoms of the arthritis in the patients who are taking NSAIDs. So misoprostol can be used to prevent the gastric ulcers caused by the NSAIDs. Because the prostaglandin analog maintains the protective mucous lining of the stomach and reduces the acid secretion. So lowers the risk of NSAIDs-induced ulcers. Next is in the medical termination of the pregnancy. So after the mifepristone, that is antiprogestin, it is administered, then a single dose of misoprostol is given. So misoprostol helped to induce the uterine contractions, leading to the expulsion of the embryo. So these all were the clinical applications of prostaglandins and their analogs. In short, it is given here. Prostaglandin E1, we will revise it again. Prostaglandin E1 analog is L-prostadil, used in the treatment of erectile dysfunction and maintaining the patency of ductus arteriosus in neonates. Prostaglandin E2 analogs are dinoprostone and misoprostol. Both are used. This dinoprostone is used to induce the labor and cervical ripening in the pregnant woman, and misoprostol is used to prevent the gastric ulcers induced by the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Prostaglandin F2 alpha analogs are carboprost and latanoprost. Carboprost is used to induce the abortion, and it is used to control the postpartum hemorrhage or postpartum bleeding. Latanoprost is used in the treatment of glaucoma to lower the intraocular pressure. Epoprostenol is used in the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. It is a prostacyclin analog. And iloprost is also a prostacyclin analog used in the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension and peripheral vascular diseases. So these were the applications. I hope you found this information useful. So if you like my videos, please like the video, share them, and subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Thank you so much.